Hey, what up? It's your boy Saint, and today I just want to introduce you guys to some cleansing methods for your crystals, or even just activations for your third eye and clear audience as well. So I got my smudging stick here. This is sage. I'm just gonna light this. I'm out in the open today. I'm gonna light that. I'm out in the open, so people are walking around and stuff. It's windy. But yeah, I'm just gonna light this here up. It's beautiful, bro. Gonna need a bigger smudging stick. It's actually on fire right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let me just smudge you guys. Okay, so all you gotta do is hold the intention that you're cleansing the area, and just use your smudging stick. Alright, so you could do this in your whole house, like your entire house. Just walk through each room and just brush away any bad vibes, any bad energies, stuff like that. There, just brush the whole room through. Or you can actually use it for your crystals by just doing like a clockwise motion and just, cleansing the area, cleansing each crystal, holding each crystal in your hand and just cleansing it. Or what I do is I blow it onto my crystals. I go. So I use the smoke to just blow gently on the crystals. Alright, so gently on the crystals, blowing it. Well, now I don't even have to. If I had a crystal right here, I would have just used the wind right here to just cleanse my crystals. But this is beautiful. So you blow slightly on it, so the smoke, goes onto each crystal. So you do this onto each crystal, and you can do that just to smudge your crystals, cleanse it. And remember, you're holding the intention that you are cleansing your crystals, you're cleansing your home, you're cleansing yourself. You could even do it on yourself. Cleanse yourself, cleanse your aura, cleanse people around you, stuff like that. Okay, and even if you're gonna do a ritual, or you're gonna do some maybe a video or anything like that, and you want the surrounding, the area that you're in, to be cleansed, and you can also do that. What I can do is take this and put it in my Tibetan singing bowl. So I put it in my bowl. Check that out. Looks amazing. That's my bowl right there. I hit that. Let me hit that. It's starting to get hot in my hand. Here you go. That's beautiful, right? Okay, so I use that to cleanse my crystals. I actually got some yellow calcite inside of this bowl. You can hear that. There's some yellow calcite inside of here. Let me just put that there so you can see it. I don't know if you could, but yeah, that's some yellow calcite. I'm so sad that this is almost getting finished. It's amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece my mom made. You can use your Tibetan singing bowl to cleanse your crystals as well. What you do is you hit it, you make the vibrations louder and louder by just rubbing your stick around it. and what will happen is it'll become louder, 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 and then what you do is you put that around your crystals, or you could do it in the center of your crystals, and the sound itself with your intention will cleanse all your crystals from any bad vibes or anything that's been lingering around them, or any energies that's been attached to them. So you can use your sage, you can use a singing bowl, you can use rain as well for charging and cleansing. Also, beautiful rain on a full moon, well, that comes now and then, but beautiful rain on a full moon is amazing for charging and cleansing your crystals. You can also use water, tap running water. It's beautiful if you get like a river next to you, or a brook, or something that's running like that. A lot of people say tap water, but I don't like tap water because of the fluoride and stuff inside of it and all the chemicals. But they also say you can use tap water. You can also use salt by putting a bed of salt and laying your crystal on top of the salt, and just allow all the bad vibes and all of that to soak into the salt, and then you take that and you throw it out. Okay, so that's a nice way to use the salt, but then once you're done with that, you take the salt, throw the salt out. Okay, that's important. All right, and also some people cleanse it via wind. Not my thing. It's not my thing, but hey, it works for some people. And as well as charging your crystals, you're putting your crystals out in the sunlight to charge, or the full moon night. I like full moon, it's awesome. Put it out while the full moon's out. If the light's shining on your crystal, that is getting supercharged. And also you need to take it out, take it in before the sun comes up, because you don't want the full moonlight and then the rising of the sun. That'll probably drain out your crystal. And the same goes for charging it in the sun. When you put it out in the sun and then it starts to dawn like the sunset, it starts to drain out your crystal. You don't want that. You need to take it in before the sun sets. Yeah, that's about it. And then the normal way I normally would charge, or cleanse my crystals, is I will hold it in my right hand, and then I'll just visualize bright light, coming from source or coming from my heart center, and just charge the crystal in my hand and program the crystal in my hand, and also just cleanse it completely in my hand. All right, so cleanse it from any bad vibes, any bad energies, anything like that. And then once I'm done with that, I bring a bright light from source through and through the crystal, right in the center of my palm, through the crystal, and cleanse out the crystal completely from within, right to out. And that's a powerful way for me for charging my crystals. It works, like extremely works. It's something that I've been doing for a very long time. This is still going. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I need to put this up so I can save it. Ooh, this is powerful stuff for me. Let me check where I can put this up. I need to save that. That's my last smudging stick. I need to save that. You can get a white sage or black sage. Either one works, okay? So now, we're talking about that. Definitely put the bright light straight through your crystal. And once you're done charging it with the same hand, you think of the intention that you want your crystal to be programmed with. Remember, you looking for programs that's already in the crystal's features, basically. All right, so if the crystal helps with dreams, and it helps with prosperity, and it helps with luck or whatever, you're looking for one of those factors to program the crystal with your intention. So you look at one and be like, you know what, I want this crystal to help me with a dream, or clarity in my dreams, or lucid dreaming. And then you program the crystal with the mindset of I'm programming it for dreaming, you know what I mean, or for prosperity, and then you'll use that crystal for that use. All right, So that's what you're doing. You're holding it in your hand. You're bringing in your intention from your mind's eye all the way down to your right palm, and you blowing energy into that crystal with your intention of, I program you, for dreaming. And you can say that in your mind, a small affirmation that you can use to program the crystal. Easy peasy. All right. Okay, I just woke up, so is what it is. And then what else? So now you got a program crystal. You can use the same method to bring in some source light through your crown chakra straight into your hand, or bring it from your heart straight into your hand to charge the crystal. And then you can also use sun and moonlight and all of that stuff. Sometimes you can even use another crystal, like say clear calcite, no clear quartz, to basically enhance and amplify the intention of another crystal. So enhance and intensify the crystal that you just charged now, which is basically dreams. You want to clarify it. I mean, you want clear, lucid dreams and stuff like that, vivid dreams. So you put the clear quartz next to your other crystal, and it enhances that crystal's abilities to bring forth more results. All right, but then what you want to do is do the same that you did for the clear quartz, which is cleanse it, program it for that in amplifications and all of that stuff. Like, I program you to amplify my intentions and other crystals. That's a nice affirmation. You say that affirmation over and over, and you charge your crystal. And so if any time you have an intention inside of you and you're going somewhere with that intention, you can hold that crystal with you, put it on you, and it'll amplify that intention. And then also, if you have a crystal that you want to amplify, then you put it next to that crystal, bang, it'll amplify that crystal as well. Alright, that's that. Let me see. Well, this is a small one. There's actually way bigger ones than this, and you can't really hear it out here with all this noise. But when I go inside in my basically my sacred space, and I hit this baby sings for a long time. I'm gonna try doing that, taking the camera in and just letting you hear it from inside my house. Anyway, apart from that, this is your boy Saint. Another episode of the Godism series. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any other episodes. And yeah, leave a comment, like, and you'll see me in the next video. This is a video about crystals and cleansing. You can even cleanse out spirits with this. Intention is very powerful, because we're the creators of our own reality, and we're powerful multi-dimensional beings. And when you believe that and you know that you are, then you know that anything is possible just by your own will. Anyway, blessings. Thank you for being here. I will see you guys in the next one. It's your boy Saint signing out. Love and light. Stay godly. Here we go. Before I go, I don't know if you can hear that. I think my palm is too big for this thing. That's loud. Woo! That is loud, right? That is loud. I love it. I think my palm is too big for this. So maybe I'll hold it at the tip of my fingers. Let me see. my yellow calcite inside making that sound, that crackling sound. That's a yellow calcite. Powerful. And that's my Tibetan singing bowl with some yellow calcite inside.